Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will be seeing how do we install Azure CLI in our system. So come to the browser, Azure CLI install. If you type Azure CLI install, so there'll be a Microsoft page. When you open that, so if your system is Windows, you can either download MSA installer and then click next, and that'll be done. Otherwise, you can actually take this command and then put it in a PowerShell window. So your Azure CLI will be installed. So in my case, mine's like Mac. So I'll have to copy this particular command, and then come here and then paste the command, and then I'll have to wait now. So let's just wait for some time until it gets installed. So it is now updating Homebrew, and then it says Azure CLI is already installed. So we are good with it. So now, once Azure CLI is installed, all you need to do is like you need to type like AZ login. So when you type AZ login, it opens a web page, and then you just have to click on particular account so that it says that you have logged into Microsoft Azure. So I have logged into Microsoft Azure now. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching.